Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of 50 Express Tutorials. In this video, we will be showing you how to properly mix our 50 Express neon gel colors. Grab your spatulas and let's get started. Today, you will need the following ingredients and tools. 50 Express gel colors neon orange, neon yellow, neon green, neon purple, neon blue, neon pink, 50 Express regular buttercream, 50 Express pastry bags, tips 824, deli containers, and spatulas. We will start by placing our buttercream in 6 separate deli containers. Today I am using 6 ounces of buttercream in each container. I will be adding 20 drops of 50 Express neon purple gel color to my buttercream. Then mix with a spatula until both ingredients are well combined. If you want to achieve a lighter color, you would use less drops of the 50 Express gel color. Now if you want to achieve a darker color, you would add more drops. These 50 Express neon gel colors are very vibrant and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this 50 Express video on our neon gel colors. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our 50 Express YouTube channel, and remember you can find all these products and more at 50expressonline.com.